Welcome to a place where the air itself feels different. You have arrived in Bali, a jewel sparkling within the vast Indonesian archipelago. This is an island defined by its profound spirituality and breathtaking natural beauty. This is an island defined by the genuine warmth of its people. The gentle rhythm of waves kissing ancient shores provides a constant soundtrack. A serene melody that invites you to slow down and be present. Rice paddies curve like emerald staircases across the hills. Their lines lead toward hazy volcanoes that touch the clouds. Welcome to Bali, the island of hidden paradise. Our exploration begins with the places that have captured the world's imagination, the essential landmarks of Bali. First, Uluwatu Temple, perched atop a sheer cliff above the thundering Indian Ocean. Arrive late afternoon, as the sky turns orange, pink, and gold, creating a breathtaking backdrop. As dusk falls, the Kecak fire dance fills the air with hypnotic rhythm and ancient storytelling. From the coastline to Ubud and the breathtaking Tegallalang Rice Terraces, a masterpiece of Subak irrigation and a UNESCO-listed cultural landscape, walk the narrow paths, watch farmers continue traditions passed down for generations. Deep in Ubud, a mystical sanctuary where macaques roam among ancient temples. Observe respectfully. They are wild guardians of this sacred grove. A short boat ride unveils the raw drama of Nusa Penida. Kelingking's iconic ridge towers over pristine turquoise water. Nearby, Sidemen Beach descends by cliff-cut steps to a palm-fringed paradise. Mount Batur at sunrise, a bucket list trek through pre-dawn darkness, rewarded by a sky of fire and views to Mount Agung and beyond. Tanah Lot, a sea temple sculpted by tides, timeless and dramatic at golden hour. Chase waterfalls, Tegallalang thunder, the cathedral light of Tukad Sepung, and Kanto Lampos tiered, photogenic flow. Cap a perfect day in Seminyak stylish beach clubs, golden sunsets, and electric nightlife. From sacred dawns to sparkling nights, Bali's contrasts captivate at every turn. While the icons impress, Bali's deeper magic reveals itself off the beaten path. For the curious, hidden gems await. Sekumpul in the northern highlands is a symphony of towering falls. Reached by jungle paths, past quiet villages and clove plantations. Raw, humbling power echoes through a mist-filled gorge. Sidemen whispers of old Bali serene fields and slow village life beneath Mount Agung. Stroll or cycle. Trade crowds for smiles and stillness. At Jatiluwih, terraces seem boundless, a UNESCO landscape honoring Subak's harmony. Wander for hours in sculpted green silence. In Amed, black sand coves trace a quiet coast, the reef begins at your feet. Float above neon coral and curious fish. Or explore a World War II-era wreck reborn as a living reef. Seek Nunggalan's secluded sands and weathered shipwreck, wild and photogenic. At dawn, the Campuhan Ridge glows, a gentle walk above river valleys and jungle. To understand Bali, taste a cuisine woven from spice, freshness, and tradition. Nasi goreng, sweet soy, chili, garlic, shallots crowned with a fried egg and crackly prawn crackers. Satay lilit wraps minced fish or meat with coconut and spices around lemongrass skewers, grilled to tender, aromatic perfection. Babi guling, ceremonial suckling pig, marinated with turmeric, coriander, galangal, and chili, roasted low and slow. Now found at specialty warangs, a celebratory feast on a plate. Mie goreng riffs with springy noodles and fresh vegetable. Pisang goreng, crispy, golden, irresistibly soft inside. Nothing beats a chilled young coconut under the midday sun. Seek local warangs, authentic, affordable, and cooked with love. From street snacks to feasts, Bali's flavors linger long after your trip. Smart travel tips for Bali. A little prep makes paradise smoother. Dry season, May to September, brings sunshine, lower humidity, and ideal conditions for beaches and treks. April and October can also be pleasant. Wet season runs November to March, heavier rains, more humidity, but gorgeously green. Avoid tap water. Drink bottled, boiled, or purified. Carry some rupiah. Cards work at hotels, restaurants, boutiques, but warangs, markets, and some drivers prefer cash. Use Grab or Gojek for rides easy and affordable. Traffic is chaotic. Always wear a helmet. Or hire a private driver for a relaxed, customizable day. Dress modestly at temples. Cover shoulders and knees. Sarongs often provided. Monkeys can be cheeky. Zip away loose items. Sunset hotspots, Uluwatu's cliffs, Canggu's surf, Seminyak's beach clubs. Plan smart, move light, and Bali opens effortlessly. If you're enjoying this journey so far, please make sure to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. It really helps the channel grow and brings you more adventures like this one. And now, daily costs, transportation, weather, and cultural etiquette. For low-budget travelers, plan on $35 to $50 per day, which works well for hostels or simple guest houses, eating at local warangs, and using scooter taxis. For mid-budget travelers, expect $60 to $120 per day for boutique hotels, a mix of local and Western restaurants, and hiring a private driver or joining small tours. For luxury travelers, budgets of $200 and up per day cover high-end resorts, fine dining experiences, and private transfers. Scooters are great for confident riders who want maximum freedom. Grab and Gojek are reliable, and private drivers make full-day exploring simple and stress-free. Hiring a private driver typically costs $40 to $60 for 8 to 10 hours. Weather? Bali stays warm and tropical year-round. The dry season, from May to September, averages about 28 degrees Celsius or 82 degrees Fahrenheit. The wet season, November to March, brings short, heavy showers, but transforms the island into a lush emerald landscape. Always watch for ocean red flags. Bali's currents can be stronger than they appear. Use ATMs located inside banks or reputable stores. Respect local customs. Avoid stepping on the small daily offerings placed on the ground. Pack breathable clothing. Apply sunscreen regularly. And stay hydrated. Tropical conditions can be more intense than expected. With so much to see, this 5-day plan balances icons and ease. Day 1. Settle in Uluwatu, above sapphire seas. Spend the afternoon at Padang Padang or Binjan. Walk the cliff paths, then see the Kecak fire dance. Close with a seafood dinner over the ocean. Day 2. Ubud. Sunrise at Tegallalang Terraces. Meet the playful macaques among ancient shrines. Afternoon waterfall hop. Power, light beams, and tiered cascades. Soak in Ubud's lush calm. Day 3. Mount Batur. Hike under stars. Greet the sun above the clouds, with peaks on the horizon. Restore in natural hot springs. Rest the afternoon. Day 4. Nusa Penida. Rugged drama offshore. Kelingking's T-Rex Ridge is unforgettable. Broken Beach frames the sea through a natural arch. Descend to Diamond's dazzling cove. Bring water, sunscreen, camera. Day 5. Canggu. Try a surf lesson or watch the sets roll in. Refuel with great coffee and fresh brunch. Shop Seminyak stylish streets. And at a beach club, toast the final sunset of an unforgettable week. Choosing the right area shapes your Bali story. Ubud. Nature, culture, and a spiritual vibe. Close to waterfalls, temples, yoga, and healthy eats. Uluwatu. Epic cliffs, world-class surf, cliff-top villas, and exclusive beach clubs. Seminyak. Upscale stays, boutique shopping, refined dining, polished nightlife. Canggu. Laid-back, creative, cafe-rich. Hub for surfers and digital nomads. Nusa Dua. Family-friendly resorts, manicured grounds, calm, swimmable waters. Sanur. Quiet, relaxed, and perfect for sunrise strolls along the promenade. For variety, split your time cliffs and surf in Uluwatu, culture in Ubud, sunsets and buzz in Canggu or Seminyak. Bali is more than a destination. It's an experience that stays with you. In its temples and tides, its terraces and smiles, you'll find a rhythm that invites you to slow down and truly see. Travel here, and you may leave carrying a quieter heart and a wider horizon. From sacred dawns to sparkling nights, Bali is contrast, color, and connection. Discover the magic of Bali, and perhaps discover a part of yourself along the way. Thanks for joining me on this Bali journey. If you want to keep exploring, just click the next video in the top left corner. Your next adventure is waiting.